With interest rates being at an all-time high in the past 10 years, should you buy your first or next home? In this video, I'm going to give you a few reasons as to why you should buy your first or next home and why it makes sense to buy real estate in today's market. What's going on YouTube? My name is Art Smith, MLS number 2013410, and on this channel, I like to focus on talking about real estate as well as personal finance to help you build wealth. Now, yes, I am a licensed loan officer and a real estate professional, but I am also a real estate investor, and I have purchased 2 properties in the past 4 months myself. And so in this video, I just want to give you some insight on how I think about purchasing real estate in today's market and what I see in the foreseeable future when it comes to the real estate market. Now, whether you're a first-time home buyer intending to occupy a home as your primary residence, or you're a first-time real estate investor intending to turn a property into a cash flowing machine, buying real estate or buying the right piece of property has its advantages and benefits like income and cash flow on a monthly basis, depreciation on an annual basis that will help you on your taxes, equity over time because of the appreciation of that asset, and of course leverage, which is using OPM, other people's money, in order to buy real estate and control it 100%. So here are a few reasons of why you should buy your first or next property in today's market given interest rates being at an all-time high. Reason number 1 is because home prices are expected to increase in value over time, especially in high desired areas. So if you're looking to purchase property, the golden rule within real estate is to purchase property in great areas. Real estate has always been about location, location, location. If you buy a piece of real estate in a good location, inevitably that home will appreciate in value. Now, you may be skeptical and on the fence of buying property because you think that home prices are going to deflate or decrease in value. Now, that is a possibility, especially in lower desired areas. However, real estate values tend to keep up with the amount of credit or money in any economy. And right now in the US economy, there has never been in the past more money and credit available to consumers and borrowers just like you and I. And when there is money and credit available in any economy, values of all assets tend to increase. With the amount of home loan programs that are offered by the government or even private sectors like FHA loans, conventional loans, USDA loans, and VA loans, not to mention all of the other loans on the non-QM side, which are going to be bank statement loans, DSCR loans, and asset-based loans. There are so many programs that are offering credit and money to home buyers just like yourself. So for that simple reason, home values will tend to increase over time, especially in higher desired areas. And reason number 2 of why you should buy a home in today's market is because what goes up must come down. And what I am talking about is going to be interest rates. Interest rates have gone up to curb inflation, and they will be coming down in the near future or distant future. And when interest rates come down, historically, home prices have significantly inflated or gone up in value. So if you buy a home today with a high interest rate, there is nothing stopping you from refinancing in the future to a lower interest rate. And the great thing about home loans is that your interest rate is not only tied to good credit, but it's also tied to your loan to value ratio. So as home prices start to inflate, as interest rates start to decrease, your home's value will increase and your loan amount or your loan to value ratio will significantly decrease. Let's just say that you put 10% down today, you have a 90% loan to value ratio. If your home increases in value another 20% over the next 10 years, now you have a loan to value ratio of 30% or less, which will help you get the lowest possible interest rate when you refinance in the future. That will not only help you pay off your home faster, potentially help you decrease your monthly mortgage payments, also known as your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, if you were to refinance in the future. And if you buy a home today and turn it into an investment property in the future, then that will also help you increase your monthly cash flow, which means more money and more profit in your pocket. And reason number 3 as to why you should buy a home today, regardless of the interest rate, is because you could walk into a home with instant equity. When interest rates are high, that causes a lot of buyers in the market to just simply run away and not want to participate in the home buying process. And because of that reason, that means that there is less competition in the market. So that means that there are less people fighting over the same piece of property. And if less people are fighting over the same property, that means that there are less offers. And if there are less offers, that means that that home will sit on the market for longer than usual. This is also known as days on market. Whenever you're shopping for a home online, you'll see something that shows days on market, 15 days on market, 30 days on market, 90 days on market. And the longer the home sits on the market, the higher potential chance you have of getting an offer accepted below market value. And that's exactly what's going on right now in today's market. If you search for a home online today, you're going to notice that in any major metro area, more homes are sitting on the market 30 days or longer. And the more homes and the longer a home sits on market without receiving an offer or without selling that home is your opportunity to make a strong offer below market with a higher chance of getting accepted. And the reason why these deals are available and these opportunities are present is because of interest rates. Interest rates scare a lot of buyers out of the market, and interest rates also push a lot of buyers out of the market of affordability. So if you have the ability to buy and afford a home in today's market, and you have the minimum down payment requirements with the income paper trail in order to serve the ability to repay your home loan, as well as the desire to live in a good area that has historically appreciated over time, then now is a great opportunity to buy real estate. Now, if you have any questions about what I talked about here in this video, do me a favor and drop your questions in the comment section below. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, do me a favor and consider subscribing, because I like to talk about personal and real estate finance to help you build wealth. And of course, if you found value in this video, do me a favor and smash that like button so that YouTube knows that this is good content and it can be shared and distributed to more people just like us. That's all I have for you in this video. So until next time, I will see you on the next one. Goodbye for now.